Hello, 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 hello. Good. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Okay, guys. This is my first time ever first live stream. I don't know why I'm doing this, but still, I just want to get into this stuff.
Hello. Okay, guys. This is my first and ever first live stream. I don't know why I'm doing this, but still
So yeah, we can start doing some live streaming on the gold. This is just a test. I'm just looking forward how we can go with these streaming things, and I will try to share some content here also for trading members or for any other subject of our life.
this is just a test. I'm just looking
Uh,
forward how we can go
am I echo coming? Like, I don't know.
I will try to share some content here also for trading members or for any other subject of our life.
Okay, hold on. Please. What am I supposed to do? Oh yeah, finish record. Set the recorder. Setting the response function. Oh, yes. Okay, okay. I don't know. We will do that record too later on. But first of all, we can go for the scenes. Okay. I'm just testing out. Oh yeah. Damn. Window capture. Window captures. Whatever. Huh. Okay. Cool. So today I started with my uh, new account. Uh, so basically, I am going through a lot of trading challenges and heavy other stuff. But I guess these streams will be helping me out too, even helping other persons out there.
Today I started with my new account.
And I am really want to make sure that people will learn more from me, and it's going to be a very genuine way level. So let's catch up some trades which we have missed in the learner session. And one thing I want to tell you that these streams are going to be on a London station rather than New York station right now. I just I just took go live just because you know I saw some news today on USD on the forex market. First of all, hi, I am Abhishek from India, and here we are for gold streaming every day, hopefully every day, for making some bucks out of market. I don't know how much days it will get consistency me to do this, but I'm going to try a good level because I even want to change one of my things. Yeah, this will be the fun. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so today morning I saw that some of the areas. So basically, I trade on the basis of you can call as a SMC, or you can call as a liquidity thing, or you can call as a flipping side. But I will call as a supply and demand zone where I can see the flip side on 5 minutes, and then we just get into the entry mode where we can make at least 1:1. Yeah, that's my target for every trade. You want to raise 1% or 0.5% to 5% or 10%. It's your up to your standards. But that will also I will tell you why not to raise more than some amount of your capital. It depends on the account you are going through. See, basically, I'm not that a talkative person here, uh, but I try to tell some things and some sort of things. I'm really looking forward to. So let's see how it goes. So on the London session, I was looking for these trades where this was the supply level. Sorry, This was the supply level for this break. So I was looking for at least a tap in here or go for this price break. Like you can see 2323.65 for gold. But I didn't get the impulse move of breaking these supply levels. So we can start from I'll tell every other aspects of the trade, but not everything because it wouldn't be a fair for my mentorship students. There I share a lot of things with them, and I'm very sorry about that noise background it's happening. I'm testing it on my another pad where I can literally hear that something sound, and that's very messed up. But don't worry, I'm not gonna today. We are just testing it out, and I will come back with the very nice way to trade or be on in this market for a little bit period of time. And yes, so this is the gold trade I was looking for, but it didn't go as expected, so I didn't trade today on a London session. If you want to see the gold trade, I will show you 1 minute. So how I trade, I will tell you. I see supply level where it breaks, or demand level where it breaks. As far as see, we can go from higher time frame to lower time frame, but mostly I have seen a higher time frame way around where we can expect the gold to go up, but not less than getting this stock level first, the liquidity first. So on a 1 minute time frame, I will show you what exactly I look for. So this is the supply level I will look for. Here also there are 1 minute supplies where you can see this level is a 1 minute supply. This level is a 1 minute supplies. This is the best level to get a 1 minute supply level, but you can't just trade on this. You will get a lot of 1 minute supplies, and then boom, market will go like from this to this level easily. Uh, like from level oh, from this level to this level like this and like this. So we don't trade 1 minute supply on this level, but yeah, we should think as a 1 minute to 5 minute in a 1 minute chart only. It's not a 5 minute supplies, but in a 1 minute chart I will show you how. So when market was going right from here to here, we were expecting something around it's going to happen like from higher low, and then coming back taking these liquidities out, and just shoot out for upper level. And then while coming back to the retracement, it took another shootout and breaking our supply zone, which I marked it. I will tell you why I marked that level later on. It's going to be a way lot journey for these guys. so so how I will make sure these trades, I will tell you. So this was supply level, and what I will do, I will put out from where it shoot out from this low to this high, sorry, for these supply level to break. Okay, and my entry would be on my radar of Fibonacci's, whatever we can call it. Yeah, mostly Fibonacci's level only. This area will be my entry. It's something around 35 or 30 fifth level of whatever you draw it, draw it for a supply to get touched. And my target would be, entry would be this, stop loss would be obviously this low level, and a target would be 1 is to 1, which I achieved here. See how it goes. So there are a lot of things to take care of it, but I'm just showing you on a 1 minute chart. So how can you just categorize those trades? Firstly, this is the supply level. You need to find it out the which supply levels and which supply levels needs to get done first. Otherwise, it's just messed up. Your win ratio would be a very bad, because for 1 is to 1 you need at least a 70% of accuracy, at least a 70 to 80% of accuracy. Then only your account is going to make it way better, way better. Yeah, 50-50 also not work out, because you will lose 50, you will win 50, and then you have to pay brokerage. So yeah. And so this level breaks. We saw the impulse move which broke the supply, and it came back to retest for at least 35 percent of that movement. We take a entry here. There are scenes that we should take a entry or not, because you will see that this is going to go a downside very fast, and you will be like, oh my god, this is going to go hit the stop loss. Yeah, I saw that eventually. But yes, we are going to enter here and then keeping a stop loss at this low and making it 1 is to 1. This can be a one of our 1 minute chart trade can happen, but I am looking always for a 5 minute chart trade. So you can see here the 1 minute. So there are a lot of strategies I have been working around, and I have been worked around, and it give me some sort of things and here and there. I was used to trade 1 is to 10, and then 1 is to 5 I was aiming for, and then 1 is to 3 I got it right way. But their accuracy levels were not good, and my psychology was hitting then after that, because once you trade for 1 is to 10, you will get something 3 trades or that's way, and the 7 trades you will be just losing. And for this space you don't want to lose it. Once you lose it, your emotions get into the count, and then you try to lose more, and then you take a revenge trade or go for more risk, and that's why a lot of accounts have been blown, frankly speaking. Yes. This is going to be a journey for us too, but yeah, so I worked it out and minimize those risk reward ratio, rather than I was focusing on a win accuracy ratio, which is like win ratio, where I should at least have one or two, three. You can count three losing sessions in a in 10, rather than three winning session in a 10. Yeah, that will keep my psychology at par and keep me in this game for a longer period of time. So that's the reason. Yep. And now we are into this. Like, you can put some questions also if you want to. You can ask some questions also. Sorry for my grammar. I'm being little nervous, or I don't know. But still, it's just language is just for the communication rather than just being on the grammar. Yeah, sometimes grammar might be fucked up if you are dealing with some lot of money. Dealing amount of money is very essential. So that time you should not lose any grammar shit. Otherwise, if you put yeah I did it and I didn't, then it's going to mess your $1 million deal, right? So that should not happen there. And this is not a $1 million deal. I'm just testing out here, and you will know, because who are going to come on the streams are not going to be a what we say, not going to be coming for a time pass, or just to waste our time. There might be some of my friends. Enemy I still don't have. I don't have enemy yet. They might copy me, but they won't be. But I would love to have some enemies around. But don't care. Really don't care. I just excuse me. See, this is the truth. Ah, okay. So what we are saying here, this level went up towards the supply level and it mitigated. Almost it's mitigated 0% or 1% you can say, and then came down, created this what we say broke this supply, so broke this demand. It's a very niche demand, but we can see it broke this demand and then went to correct again and came back down. If you want to really trade on these levels also, you would have been, you could have traded, you could have traded. See, this is the demand I was looking. What the fuck? This is the demand I was looking for. Even that demand also got broke. So that's the clear sign. This was the protected low, but I sometimes say, might those protected lows gets swap and then market might go up, but this didn't happen here. So it literally broke the demand, which created a protected low, which was the mitigation of before, and then it swapped those demand level, broke the demand level and went back to the retracement. So what we can see that this is the impulse play. Have you seen it that like before? So what I can do, I will make sure this will be the demand zone. Where is the demand? Yeah, I will take this body's highs or body's lows as a demand zone. Okay, now see on a 5 minute how it looks like. See, 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 this is the demand zone, and I took as a midpoint of demand zone for to take a trade on. So fib level we calculated, we kept here, and we can see the target here at least. So once it enters at this level, sorry, where it enters like this, and then we kept our stop loss at 2.5 pips, 25 pips, and then your target reached around 190. Sorry, this is the 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1. So this was 1 is to 1 trade. Why did I took these as a level? That will come on the after later stage, which I will tell you. See how it makes to the target. Like, it wasn't a drawdown like 20, 50 to 50% of a trade risk, and then it came back. It did something 50, 60% of our trade risk, and then again BOB, and then again to the target. So basically here it is no risk management also. You don't have to put like, um, your trade to the break-even point where you can be like, okay, now it's a break-even point and we can do chill around. It's just as simple as that. One stop loss, one target. That's it. You don't risk more amount of your account. Just risk about 1 to 2, 3%. If it's normal account, and if it's prop firm account, then risk 0.5% to 1%. So basically you can see yourself, because once you are into those trades enough, then only you are going to make money and you will be okay. So yeah, that's gonna do well. Although we are waiting for 6, okay, 6 o'clock, no news worked out. So sorry guys. It shows the red news, but I don't think so. Empire State Manufacturing Index. Oh my God. I fuck. I did wait for this. Did I wait for this? Nope. I suppose to not. Okay, tomorrow is going to be a 6 p.m. Yeah. So basically, I'm from India, so I will talk. in Indian timing, so you won't get confused. You can just Google it IST. You will get the time. So London session will might be starting around 11:30 around. Yeah, 11:15 I can work it out because I have a lot of things going around apart from this trading also. So I have to do that and this and every other stuff. But it's not like I have to do this and this only. But I really want to put myself outside to the outside world where I can see a lot of traders, or I can talk to a lot of traders, or I can be in this traders community in a very stranger way, because there might be a lot of traders who are feeling um, distress because of all these fake gurus, or got scammed by a lot of gurus. Or maybe there are some people who scammed you, or maybe there are some people who try to give you good teaching or learning on for these trading stuff, but you couldn't have grasped it very well, because it's a very lot of time on a chart, and most probably not on a back testing, but on a real live market, because that's only counts when you do real trading rather than on a back testing things. Back testing is just for um, the strategy which you are playing with a timely things on an indicator based, not on your own mindset. It can be what we say algofied on the time or indicator based. Those strategies can get into back testing, and then you can apply it ahead. But like these strategies, like we can call it smart money concept, or ICT with the fair value gap and all the stuff, or liquidity trap or something, and supply and demand. Basically, a supply demand is the best I've seen. These all comes under this all this concept only. So if you're trading on these concepts, then you don't go for a back testing. I literally suggest you just go for see something. I will suggest you just go real market, do forward testing a lot of time. Don't place a trade, but place a trade on your cardboard, uh, or a notebook. But make sure you do a forward testing rather than back testing. Back testing is the time waste, unless that's indicator or timely driven strategies. So right away, right now you can see this is also demands for a 15 minutes or 30 minutes, but this demand will get liquefied. I know that. I'm literally hoping to get it. Liquidity swap. In ICT you can call it as a Tata soup. In SMC you can call it liquidity trap, or BSSL, or SSSL. So many word and terms. I'm just making this simplify. Don't call it shit. Just think that this is a liquidity. That's it. Does it get swept or not? Because whenever liquidity gets swept, it creates maybe for some another trader's perspective, it creates a break of structure which called as boss, and whenever its break of structure happens, it always gets distress, and it gets distress. That what percentage I don't know, but it always gets distress. So that's the thing. So time is fractal. Time is always a fractal thing. You might see 15 minutes going working around, and 30 1 minute. It might be the same. This 1 minute has a very much of motions going around here and there. So you can trade on 1 minute. It might be a scalping trade or something sort we call, and 15 minute 1 hour it might be a swing position of some things. If this holds, and if this breaks or this level breaks, then we might see this as a best demand zone for 50 minutes or 1 hour time frame. We just have to place a trades on a demand and supply zone which breaks on particular time frame, so we can make some one is to one trade with a very bulletproof strategy, because I don't want that you messed up in a lot of 1 minutes or 5 minutes of trades, because there might be a flipping zone, because once it breaks a supply zone and then it will come back to the higher time frame demand zone, and then again it might go up. So these are called flipping zones. You don't know which flow it might go, but if you literally go into this theory a lot of times, then you will know which is going for to flip, or which is going to be, the trending position. I see this is a very choppy market or ranging market, you can say. For 1 minute, this might be the liquidity and it might fall it down. So whenever there is a liquidity or demand zone, so liquidity is always for supply, liquidity is always below supply, and for demand is always above. So once that liquidity happens, then there is a retracement. If that retracement catch it up, we can call it as a reaction, and it breaks the supply. And that's it. You are getting another demand zone to trade for, and you can have your trade to get done. So this is it. I don't know what you might be doing. There are hidden demand zones that we don't know. It workable most of the time, not sometimes, and the demand zone which literally you can see right away never works. Lot of time. So SMC is becoming next retail trading also. You can call it. Maybe every other strategy comes with a lot of people, from the start, that this might give us a breakthrough on this trading journey, and every other stuff. Never happens, yeah. Every time you feel like every new strategy gives you a very nice box, but then you realize every other strategy is same, going through the drawdowns phases. Once you go in depth to take a knowledge that why not this, why maybe this because of this and this and that. So all depends on how much you risk and how much you willing to take eh, eh, how much you willing to take those trades and execute as you feel like. Trading only one trade a day, not two, not three. I try to stop at two, but one trade, if you give a right, then stop, get it out. One trade, if it was right and then it got a flipped, and that flip version is going ahead of, then you can go forward. You can see a trend, right? You can see a trend. Once it flips, you can see a trend that it might go down or something sort of. See, these came down from these levels. So this is our euro USD's supplies. I have a lot of strategies, and I do work on some long-term strategies also for trading. Okay, liquidity, and we will look for, see, now for the ICD people, these might be a strategy, because the displacement happened with the this 15-minute displacement, but I don't think so. This is the displacement might happen here, will happen here if they want to happen. Okay, I used to trade euro USD. I recently dropped it down. because it requires a lot of commissions when you place a lot of lots for those trades. So yes.
I just went through it and noted right now and all the lots that is available for us.
Okay then, I will end this live trading because it might be something around time, half hour happened here. तर मी हे बंद करतो. बघू आपण आता परत नेक्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा आलं तर इट्स मराठी. Thank you for your patience and thank you so much. See you soon. See, this is just came right away from liquidity. So this is going to be our next S level. I don't want to call as a boss or something sort of. Boss is just a demand or supply, which what it breaks. I just want to get into a very simplified trading things. Now you can see that if it comes and retrace here and give a breakthrough, you will see for a demand level, or it will come down to this level to get this liquidity out to the downside. I will trade these as a liquidity. Sorry, these as a SMC trader might trade these and take something around 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 5, because this is see something around 5. Yeah, 5 1 is to 5 trade. It will go it. Don't worry, I will finish it.